Hey, how's everybody doing? This is JJ with Deluxe Vehicle Detailing and Paint Correction in beautiful Seminole, Florida. I want to take you in on a nice tight shot. This is the Turtle Wax Hybrid Solutions. This is the ceramic wash and wax. Today I'm going to shoot a three-part video, or at least I think it's a three-part as of right this moment. And I am going to go over some of these new products that have just come out and just give you my opinions on how I am liking them. The first thing I'm going to say is it's all smells like mango. So we have 5 different products here and they all are uniformly smell like mango. Okay, I can almost talk. I received and I shot a video on this box with the 5 different different products by Turtle Wax. They were kind enough to send me. So we are not going to be using the wet wax today, and we're also not going to be using the ceramic 3-in-1 detailer, which is kind of like between washes, kind of like a waterless wash, right? Not going to be doing that because we're going to be shooting and doing everything on this beautiful Nissan Xterra. So we've got a black car. We want to make sure we're doing everything real safe. And when we get done shooting this, and I say we because I've got a cameraman here today, and this is his truck actually. So we've got the hybrid solution. We're going to bust out the Surehold 21mm, and we're going to polish and wax all in one. I'm going to zoom you in here a little bit. Here is all the makeup of everything. You can slow this down and freeze it as you need to. And then here is the profile of everything that you get out of that product. We're also going to be finishing with a ceramic spray coating. And here is all the particulars. Beautiful, beautiful product. Very well boxed. You can find these available online. Go to turtlewax.com. At least I believe it's Turtle Wax. Maybe it's Turtle Wax Car Care. Okay, so I've got a cameraman. I'm going to make use of him. And I am going to show you in this video, it's all about our Hybrid Solutions ceramic wash and wax. Now, the directions state very clearly that if you're using this to break up dirt and everything like that, you are going to use, I believe, 5 ounces in a gallon. I'm trying to find it here in the directions. It's probably on here. Yeah, 3 ounces for a gallon. So if you are going to polish afterwards, you don't want as much actual buildup on the paint, because you're going to polish. So it's 1 ounce per gallon. I've put 2 ounces in this bucket, and we're going to wash this truck down. So got my hose right here, and I just want to show you the foaming characteristics. Real nice and frothy right out of the gate. Now this is a very diluted concentration. So if you use 3 times this amount, I imagine you get probably a much more foamier end result. This is kind of like a wash and wax light, if you will, right? So that's all I need to see. It's nice and foamy. I'm going to give it a little feel. Yeah, it's got pretty nice lubricity. The slickness feels good. This is a wash mitt from Dallas Paint Correction. You can go on luxurymicrofiber.com and check out all of Dallas Paint Correction / microfiber, luxury microfiber products. I'm going to go ahead and get that all nice and soaked in there. I'm going to give it a little medium squeeze. Now, we'll come around over here. I'm going to do this first half and we're going to rinse it off. So first off, I used my airless paint sprayer with ONR, and we went over twice. We laid down just a light layer to break up a little bit of the dirt, and then we just kind of pressure wash, because Well, my friend likes to go mudding, and so this thing was real filthy. So we had to clear off a little bit, but believe me, the paint's still dirty. So you can really feel the slickness. Really feels nice across the paint. I would say this soap has excellent lubricity. I can only imagine if you had 3 times the amount. Let's give it a flip. Change the direction some. No pressure. No scratching. So, I really like that. It actually has a very nice aroma to it. And let's show a little of the rinse off. So I'm going to shoot here in one direction, and let's see. Now that seems to really go nicely. I really see some nice hydrophobic actually out of it. It does leave a little bit of protection behind, even with the wash product, but these are designed to all go together, and doesn't take much. And that rinses off very freely. So that's going to be step 1. I thank you as always for being with me. Please hit the notification bell, ding, and you will get notifications of other great future videos. Always like to see those thumbs up. If you have any comments, please leave them. And as always, if you know someone who's into car care, share this video with them. I thank you for being with me. I'll see you on the flip side. Thanks.